DIY solar installation. It's a small system, just for convenience should the power go out. Alright, I've got 400 watt panels on the roof. The wires come through there and in here. What I have here is just a battery indication, a current amp meter. And here I have, let me just put it on the light here. You have like the electronics. It's just a normal comparator circuit with a FET. It's switching the voltage of the batteries between 13.5 and 14.4 volt. And here's just the isolation switches for the panel should I want to disengage them. There's fuses, incoming fuse, and here I have like 200 amp gel batteries, and here's just a few ordinary lead acid batteries, UPS batteries. And here's the 1000 watt inverter, just to create 220 volt. There's an old smaller transformer type inverter. You have a C-Tech charger, just to help the batteries charge should the sun stay away for 1 or 2 days, just to help the batteries. Okay, let me just switch on the inverter, the charger here. Just plug it in here. As you can hear, there's a fan. I just put a heatsink with a fan underneath the C-Tech charger just to help it cool it off a little bit if it gets too hot. Okay, I can see it's charging. Okay, there's a few plug breakout box, and that's more or less. Here's just an old controller circuit, just a spare one, and that's it. Okay, here's my 4 solar panels, 100 watt panels. First one is a little bit older, the new ones are smaller, and there's a distribution box where just all the wires coming together, and then it goes down inside the house. If you like this video, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.